Welcome guys, today I'm going to share with you this website. The website name is Autolitecoin. This website pay you Litecoin without any investment, no minimum withdrawal amount this website have. You can withdraw any much amount you earn, you can withdraw, and no limit to you can claim earning from here. This much is user, this much is earning, and this much withdrawal taken from people. And just click register. In the register button, just put your email, password, and confirm password. Solve this captcha and just click get it started. You can register your account. I have already an account and I put my email and password. I just click solve the captcha and click login. Right now it's logged into my account. And this website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself, and you can see I have this much balance in my account. It's that much balance I made it. And first way earning is a claim faucet. You can claim from faucet. You just click it, it will be connect to server and show you a claim faucet way. You can claim every 1 minute this much amount of coin and this much time claim per day. It's too easy, not too hard to claim the faucet. First of all, solve this captcha. After that, you just solve it in the recaptcha. Okay, and come down, just collect your reward. This will be paid in your balance, and after that you can withdraw your amount to your faucetpay. The next way earning is auto faucet. For auto faucet, you need energy to click auto faucet. Okay, you need energy, but I didn't have any energy about that. It didn't show me anything. The next way is a short links. You just click short links to show you short links. To complete that short links, so you earn coin and energy from here. Okay, you can see this much coin this will be pay you, and this much energy pay you to you can easily use the auto faucet. The next way is a task. You can complete the task. If this website have available task right now, no available task. The next way is a PTC ads. You can watch advertisement with this trick. You can earn some coin with watching advertisement. Okay, just I click it, wait few seconds. Okay, you can see this much advertisement. 9 advertisement available in here, and this much coin this will be paid. You just can watch all of these advertisement and making much more amount. Right now I show you the withdrawal proof of this website. Did this website pay me or not? So you can come here, join this website or not. You have a Telegram group, you can join it. And in here we have just one way. It's a Litecoin. Every coin will be equal to this method here. Just click it. You can put your faucetpay Gmail address, or you can put your wallet address. That was your choice. You can do anyone you want. I do this one, or I just go copy my wallet address. Is not the big deal. Okay, just I click withdraw, wait few seconds to withdraw it. You can see this website pay me my situation is sent to my faucetpay, and now you can see this website send me my situation instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.